We turn now to the Kanawha County courtroom, where a hearing over concerns of foster children living in hotels and a 4-H camp led to a judge ordering a court-appointed monitor to investigate the ongoing issue of West Virginia children being placed in unlicensed facilities. Our Bob Aaron was in there when Department of Human Services Secretary Alex Mayer did not object to the court action.
Kanawha County Circuit Judge Mary Claire Akers called in state officials Friday to explain how housing foster children in hotels and a 4-H camp was safe and appropriate.
I didn't realize the magnitude of it.
Akers handed down the order after learning a child in an abuse and neglect case had attempted suicide after being placed in a hotel by the West Virginia Department of Human Services Child Protective Services Division. She also became aware of multiple calls for deputies to Camp Virgil Tate that included complaints of children being restrained, fighting among themselves and with staffers, and in medical distress in February. The Department of Human Services Secretary says with 6,000 kids in foster care, they've had to take some steps to find placements for difficult-to-place children.
So amid trying to get placements for children, we are having to utilize hotels in order to buy time.
The judge decided to appoint a monitor to deal with child placement issues and named Cindy Largent Hill, the director of the Division of Children's Services, for the Supreme Court.
Director Largent Hill will be given all the necessary access to accomplish the goal that we all have here, which is improving the system of placement for juvenile respondents.
After meeting briefly with his attorney in private, the cabinet secretary agreed to accept the court monitor, who is expected to be in place for a year.
Cindy and I and Keith Hoover have already had conversations about this exact issue and how we were going to partner to fix this. So I appreciate that opportunity to work closely with Cindy and bring her in even closer to be in this collaborative effort with us. And so, yes.
The judge will also require quicker reporting on serious incidents like a suicide attempt. In Charleston, Bob Aaron, Eyewitness News.
Bob, thank you. And the department tells the Morrissey administration in a budget request, which was not fully met, that to meet the caseload demand for child welfare cases, it would need 132 new positions, including 100 child protection workers.